Oggy and the Cockroaches' Magical Treasure Hunt. One bright and sunny morning, Oggy the cat was enjoying his day off, peacefully sipping lemonade in his garden. But peace doesn't last long when you have three mischievous cockroaches, Joey, Dee Dee, and Marky, living in the same house. As Oggy relaxed, the cockroaches were up to no good, digging through the backyard. Suddenly, Marky hit something hard with a shovel and shouted, "Treasure!" They had found an old map hidden beneath the ground. Curious, Oggy peeked over. His eyes sparkled with excitement when he saw the map. It showed a treasure chest hidden inside a nearby cave. Despite their rivalry, Oggy and the cockroaches decided to go on a treasure hunt together. But of course, the journey wouldn't be that easy and the adventure begins. They started their adventure in the forest, following the map's clues. The cockroaches, always thinking ahead, tried to trick Oggy by switching signs and pointing him in the wrong direction. But Oggy, being clever for once, spotted their tricks and followed the right path. At one point, they reached a wobbly bridge. Joey tried to zip across first, but the old bridge snapped. Oggy quickly grabbed a vine and swung over, saving the cockroaches just in time. They all landed safely on the other side, realizing they had to work together to reach the treasure. After hours of walking, they reached the cave where the treasure was hidden. But at the entrance stood a giant boulder, blocking their way. On the rock was a riddle: "I am light as a feather, yet the strongest man cannot hold me for long. What am I?" Oggy scratched his head, while the cockroaches tried to cheat by pushing the rock. Then Oggy had an idea. "It's breath," he shouted. And with that, the boulder magically rolled away, revealing the entrance to the cave. Inside the cave, they found the treasure chest glowing in the corner. But when they went and saw it, there was no gold or jewels, just a pile of shiny toy marbles. The cockroaches were disappointed. But Oggy grinned. "These marbles are magical. They make wishes come true." Excited by the idea, each of them made a wish. Oggy wished for endless sunny days to relax, Joey wished for more mischief, Dee Dee wished for all the food in the world, and Marky wished for the ability to fly. As they left the cave, they realized their adventure wasn't about the treasure, but the fun and teamwork they had along the way. And so, Oggy and the cockroaches returned home, more like friends than rivals, at least until the next crazy adventure. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.